Story 8. Hormuzed, you know. Oh, okay, no, I was thinking Hormuzed. That's the word for God, but it's a shorter name. I mean, it's just abbreviation of the name here. Hormuz being asked what fault the viziers of his father had committed that he imprisoned them, replied, I discovered no fault. I saw that boundless awe of me had taken root in their hearts, but that they had no full confidence in my promises. Wherefore I apprehended that they, fearing calamities would befall them, might attempt my life, and I acted according to the maxim of sages, who have said, dread him who dreads thee, O sage. Although thou couldst cope with 100 like him, seest thou not, when the cat becomes desperate, how he plucks out with his claws the eyes of the tiger? The viper stings the shepherd's foot because it fears he will strike his head with a stone. And whether something is regularly recognized as a danger, don't necessarily go in there and start things with it, because it can come out different, right? But these predatory animals, they have their purpose. They're innocent in it, but we may not be innocent in doing those things.